Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup passwords using 1Password detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the 1Password website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Get Started button to create one. Once you have an account, sign in using your email address and master password. After signing in, you'll be directed to your 1Password vault. To add your passwords, click on the New Item button. Select Login for websites or services where you need to save your password. Enter the website's name in the title field. Fill in the URL of the website in the designated area. Input your username in the username field. In the password section, type in your password. You can create a strong password by clicking the Generate Password option. Once you have entered all the details, click Save to store the login information in your vault. To back up your entire vault, navigate to the 1Password application settings. Look for an option labeled Backup or Export. Choose the format for your backup file, typically 1Password interchange format or CSV. Select a location on your computer where you want to save the backup file. Click Save to download the backup to your specified location. To ensure your backup is secure, encrypt the file if prompted. If you are using 1Password on multiple devices, synchronize your vault using 1Password sync options. Choose between iCloud, Dropbox, or Wi-Fi for syncing your vault across devices. Once the sync is complete, your passwords will be backed up on all connected devices. Regularly update and save new passwords to your vault when necessary. Periodically check that your backup files are up to date and stored securely. By following these steps, you can easily back up your passwords using 1Password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.